We're out in Monona Bay. It's not that packed for tonight. We're just jigging away. For some reason, I'm not picking up my jig very well on the flasher. I don't know whether there's weeds here or what. one on the plastic. On the big bite bait. Dinkers, double dinker. Get one on the big bite baits. It's not a big bite. At least the big bite baits is working. Another crappie. Yeah. Another crappie. For some reason this night I started out fishing with a small chartreuse jig on my one rod and another small jig on my other rod on a small black one, and the bluegills weren't that interested in that tip with a spike. So then I decided to try a bigger, like, perch colored glow jig. It's whatever jig I bought in my Dick's $20 Dick's Ice Fishing Challenge I did last year. And then I started putting a butterworm on that, which was bigger, and then I started catching fish. And then when I upped the spike to a wax, you used the plastic, I was catching fish too. But for some reason this night the fish were wanting a bigger bait where I was fishing at. But I still caught like 20 fish or 25 fish in like an hour and 25 minutes of fishing, so I'm not going to complain. It was a fun night of getting out fishing. Thanks for watching this episode of Muskie Homes and Outdoors, and I really appreciate everyone who watches my videos. And if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I do a variety of fishing videos from how to cook fish, how to catch fish, how to clean fish, and fishing different areas in my videos, fishing challenges and reviews, and a variety of topics related to fishing. And I really appreciate everyone watching my videos.